I've got two little dogs that I love, but I have also inherited with them a lot of products that I need to have for them. And so my one good thing for this week is how to build a pet station so all of this stuff is neatly away and pleasing to look at. The first thing we build is the food jar. Ta-da! A nice ball jar, and I make a little sign with my dog's names on it. Food jar. Yes, a little recycled jar from your kitchen for treats. Thank you, yes. And this one is for notes. So that's my one good thing for this week. Build yourself a pet station. Oh yeah, forgot. Build yourself a pet station, keep all your stuff organized, get rid of unnecessary packaging, and last but not least, make it a really nice communication center for all the folks who help you take care of your dogs. That's it. I'll see you next week.